Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I discuss mathematical physics, mainly differential equation and some important problem of it which is important for entrance examination. So please see this video very carefully. A differential equation is an equation which contain differential coefficient, means containing derivatives of various order and variables. Differential equation two types. First is ordinary differential equations and second one is partial differential equation. So a differential equation which involves one independent variables is called ordinary differential equation. For example, dy dx equal to 4x square. Here one independent variables. Also d square y dx square plus 6 dy dx equal to 2x. Here also one independent variable. Now if the differential equation contains more than one independent variable, then it is called partial differential equation. For example, del square y del t square equal to v square del square y del x square. Here two variables are there, t and x. Also x del u del x plus y del u del I equal to 3y. Here also two independent variables. Now we discuss about order and degree of differential equation. So order of a differential equation is the order of the highest order derivative appearing in the equation. For example, d square y dx square plus 3 dy dx plus 2y is equal to 0. Here highest order is 2. So here it is second order differential equation. Now the degree or power of a differential equation is the degree of the highest order derivative when the derivatives are free from the radical and fractions. For example, 1 plus dy dx whole square whole to the power half equal to 6y. Here highest degree or power is 2. So the power of this differential equation is 2. Now we discuss about linear differential equation. The general form of a first order linear differential equation dy dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are the function of x only or constant, and we can solve this equation by calculating integrating factor. Now we discuss some problems related linear differential equation. Problem GATE 2018. Consider the differential equation dy dx plus y tan x equal to cos x. Question asked, if y 0 is equal to 0, then y pi by 3 is equal to what? Now we solve this differential equation by calculating integrating factor. So problem is given by dy dx plus y tan x equal to cos x. We know first order linear differential equation dy dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are the function of x or constant, and we calculate the integrating factor equal to e to the power integration of p into dx. So here the value of p is tan x and value of q is cos x. So integrating factor equal to e to the power tan x into dx. So equal to e to the power tan x integration ln sec x. So integrating factor equal to sec x. Now the differential equation we multiply integrating factor both side. So dy dx plus y tan x into sec x equal to sec x cos x. So d dx of y sec x equal to 1. So dy sec x equal to dx. Now integrating both side, y sec x equal to x plus constant. Now boundary condition given, y 0 equal to 0. That means at x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. That means x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So constant equal to 0. So term y sec x equal to x. Now we calculate for x equal to pi by 3, what is the value of y? So we put the value y is equal to pi by 3 divided by sec pi by 3. So y is equal to pi by 3 divided by sec pi by 3 value 2. So y is equal to pi by 6. So answer is pi by 6. Now we discuss another problem from GATE 2016. The problem is considered the linear differential equation dy dx equal to xy. If y is equal to 2 at x equal to 0, then the value of y at x equal to 2 is given by e to the power minus 2, 2 e to the power minus 2 e square and 2 e square. Now we solve this equation. So problem is given by dy dx equal to xy. So if we change the term 1 by y dy equal to x into dx. Now we integrating both side. So ln y equal to x square by 2 plus suppose constant term ln c. So if we calculate y equal to c into e to the power x square by 2. Now boundary condition is given if y is equal to 2 at x equal to 0. Now we calculate the constant term. Y equal to 2 is equal to c e to the power 0 means 1. So c equal to 2. So we calculate the y is equal to 2 e to the power x square by 2. Now at x equal to 2, what is the value of y? At x equal to 2, y is equal to 2 e to the power 2 square means 4 by 2. That means 2 e to the power 2. Y is equal to 2 e to the power 2 means answer D is correct. Now we discuss very important problem from linear differential equation which is come GATE 2011. The question is the solution of the differential equation dy dx equal to minus x by y plus 1 are a family of circles with different radius, circle with different center, straight lines with different slopes, straight line with different intercept on the y-axis. So we calculate what is the solution of the differential equation dy dx equal to minus x by y plus 1. So we can write y into dy plus dy equal to minus x into dx. So we can write x dx plus y dy plus dy equal to 0. Now integrating both sides. So x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus y is equal to constant. Multiply both sides by 2, x square plus y square plus 2y equal to, suppose constant into 2 and suppose we write c1. Now we can write x square plus y square plus 2y plus 1 equal to c1 plus 1. We add plus 1 both sides. So this is y square plus 2y plus 1. That means this is x minus 0 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equal to c. So we can write this is the equation of circle with different radius. So option 1 is correct.